Welcome back, Steam fans! Sioux is excited to reveal an absolute game changer in the barrel cleaning world. Whether you're making wine, whiskey, or other spirits, Sioux has the steam solution for you. Let me reveal the new SF3.8E, baby! Expert winemakers already know that steam is the best way to safely clean and rehydrate wine barrels. Steam opens the pores of the wood for a better, deeper, more thorough cleaning, naturally killing bacteria such as Brettanomyces and Zygosaccharomyces. Recently, we had a chance to go up and visit with Logan Ellenbecker, expert winemaker at Round Lake Winery.
So the first thing we're doing is we're using steam to clean it, to seal up any of the leaks that we might have from the wood drying out, and to make sure the barrels are prepared for the wine to go in it. When we add the steam in there, it's killing anything that might be left over from the previous wine. It's helping the wood seal any of the cracks. It's taking about 4 minutes, 5 minutes, depending on what temperature you're trying to get to. After it steams, we then put a bung in there to help make a vacuum. The steam is cooling down, the pores are open from the steam. That's helping pull out the tannins, the colors, the titrates, anything that's gotten into that. It's leaving it open for the next one to go in to get more flavor surface area, along with making sure there's no bacteria or anything growing in there, generating a cleaner surface for...
That's amazing. So the steam, as it condenses, is creating that vacuum.
Yep.
And further just cleaning the wood, essentially.
Correct, yeah, it's pulling everything out, yeah.
You know, the sound when you pull the bung is kind of unrepeatable, kind of pretty cool.
And then we flip it over and give the barrel a quick rinse to get everything out.
Steam also rehydrates the barrel staves, both swelling and sealing the barrel. This allows continued use of these expensive barrels and extends their lifespan.
I have about 550 barrels in my circulation. We clean them a couple times throughout the year. We'll take it out, taste all the wines, flip the barrels around. So it's a always moving process around here.
You're a busy guy with the barrels.
Oh yeah.
Let's get a closer look at this sexy stainless steel encased steam flow steam generator. First of all, as with all Sioux steam generators, it's ASME certified and built right here in the United States of America. This machine is simple to operate. You won't find any unnecessary bells, whistles, or alarms. Just turn the switch to get as many as 4 barrels up to temperature in minutes. The unit features a food grade, all stainless steel chassis made mobile with 4 easy rolling, locking, swivel casters. Inside, you'll find a heavy duty industrial grade 38 kW electric heating element, creating steam with no flames, no fumes, and no fossil fuels. Save the planet, baby!
So with this setup, I really liked how much steam is thrown out. It's getting out good volumes. There was a little bit of a recycle time when it was going, but it wasn't affecting how much steam was coming out. With your guys' cool little attachment, it's a nice cover guard. The spring load thing kept it so a nice good seal on there. I did enjoy that.
Here's where the real magic happens, baby. When you pair the SF3.8 with the all-new Sioux barrel cleaning tool. This is patent-pending technology with a self-aligning food-grade aluminum axial bung cone. The spring-loaded action provides a precision fit on various sized bung holes. By preventing the steam from leaking around the contact point, your barrels will get up to temperature faster. The world has been relying on Sioux steam solutions and innovations since 1939. You too can rely on Sioux's personalized customer service, support, and spare parts availability as we continue to innovate steam solutions made right here in the US of A. To learn more, check out the link to our website in the description below. Thanks for watching, baby!